This video will help you learn about the locking features of the pad cover. The latches on the end with the control module should be closed. This holds the cover in place. The latches near the clean roll have a locked and unlocked position. When unlocked and pointing towards the waist area, the pad will advance when you press the pad advance button. When the puppies are getting playful, they may start to pull on the clean roll. If this happens, lock these latches so they can point towards the clean roll. When it's time to advance the pad, unlock the latches and press the button on the control module or the app and relock to secure the paper. So remember, these latches point this way to allow the paper to advance, and they point this way to lock the paper. If you have any questions, please reach out to our breeder support team. They're here to help you.